Hey guys, it is Mr. My Life today, and I am doing a review upon the Apple Magic Mouse and the newest model of the Apple Wireless Keyboard. Now, you're wondering probably, what is that white thing in his hand? And I'm going to tell you right now. It is the box that comes with the Magic Mouse and the newest wireless Apple keyboard in it. I bought the refurb. And I don't know if you can really see it, but in the center here, it says Apple Refurbished System. Now, all Apple products, it's very slim. The box has the Apple logo on the side. It's beautiful. And what can you expect? I took the Apple Wireless Keyboard and Mouse out and have used it for a few weeks. Now, here is the keyboard. It is all aluminum, except for the back, and the buttons, of course. Haha. And the buttons are white plastic, very slim. They're chiclet-style keys. Very easy to use, very quick. Not for, but quick for like typing and all the such. Look on the side, extremely thin. I mean, it's thinner than this pen I have laying around. That's saying something. And here on the side, where you replace the batteries, this is a screw hole. You take your screwdriver, or sometimes I've been able just to twist my finger in there and replace the batteries. It takes 2 AA's. You look around the back, it's pretty much Apple style. This is a plastic piece. I don't exactly know what that does, but whatever. I'm assuming that's for the Bluetooth. So, because everything's aluminum, there's really nowhere for it to escape. So, I'm guessing that's the hole. Here is the Apple logo. You can't really see it right now. It's kind of etched in there. Here's all the made by Apple in California, or designed by Apple in California, made in China stuff. Here are 2 little rubber pieces. So like when you have it on your desk, it doesn't go sliding around. There are also 2 more up here. They're very thin and sleek. Now, on the top, you see your typical Apple keyboard shortcuts like, Mac. This can be used on Windows with a few mods. I haven't really tried it, but over here, you have like your volume and all that. And over here, you have your eject and all the such. I didn't really show you it from head on this. I really think this is how you appreciate how slim it is. When you have it on your desk, it's beautiful. Like any Apple product, it fits right in. I actually have a hardwood desk that I mainly keep it on. It looks awesome. Now on to the Apple Magic Mouse. As you see, it has the glass top part. Apple logo on here. It's kind of gray. I don't know if you can see it right now. It's very slim, just like the keyboard. On the bottom here, the 2 black pieces are your skid rails. I believe that's what they might call them. They're 2 plastic pieces. They're kind of angled in like this. And that's basically so, it slides really smoothly. Right here is your laser center or sensor. And then right here is your on and off switch. Turn it one way and it is black, turn it the other way and it is lime green. And it has a nice stainless steel pattern on it. It's kind of circular. Very, very intricate. And above that is an almost minuscule LED light that shows if it's on or not. Here's the Apple logo embossed into the stainless steel. Down here's a button to remove the batteries. Takes 2 AA's, and I've only gotten about a week of charge off the AA's. It's really, really bad on battery life, just like the keyboard. But it's extremely accurate. Okay, this was my review of the Apple keyboard and mouse by Mr. My Life. Thank you guys.